What's going on everyone? In this video I will show you how to fix Galaxy A56 Wi-Fi keeps turning off. So let's start the video. First of all, restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then click on restart. After you start your device, then check your internet connection works properly or not. After checking your internet connection, then open settings and scroll down and click on battery. Now here you can turn off your power saving mode. If you turn it on, then turn it off. After turn off your power saving mode, then go back and scroll down and click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After updating a latest version, then go back and open general management and then scroll down and click on reset and click on reset network settings and then again click on reset settings. After reset the network settings, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.